Hello everyone, today I'm going to be going over a bit of a problem that's been happening in the comment section quite a bit. There's a bunch of people saying, where is the Meteor 1.19.2 version of the Meteor Hacked client? And people aren't able to get it. Reason being, the Meteor client website no longer supports versions more than two updates old. So if I just bring up the Meteor website here, as you can see, it'll give you a download for 1.9.4 and 1.20 at the moment. I think it only really does the big updates most of the time, and there's no download for the old versions. And I believe the only way to get say for example 1.19.2 Meteor Hacked client is if you've already downloaded it, or if you know of someone who has already downloaded it and has re-uploaded it somewhere. Other than that, it's unfortunately sort of gone at the moment, so you cannot. I don't think you can get the 1.19.2 Meteor Hacked client anymore. At least not from the website. The Fabric installer is fine. You can still get that, and it will always update to pretty much every version, I think. But yeah, so sorry about that. But Meteor 1.9.2, anything before 1.90.4 is no longer downloadable from the official website. So you're going to have to go forum hunting or something like that, looking for people who might possibly have luckily downloaded it and then hopefully re-uploaded it somewhere. Anyway, yeah, that's what happened to the 1.19.2 Meteor Hacked client, and that's why you can't download it. It's just not supported by the Meteor client website. Anyway, thanks for watching, and have a nice day. Goodbye.